Well, that was pretty special. Man, what a good guy. And a guy like Oscar who does so much for so many people. His laundry list of caring credentials is pretty amazing. So just an honor for me to give a little bit of joy to a dude who deserves probably a lot more than just my truck.
That's pretty awesome. Our next guest is quite a guy with quite a story to tell. But before we get into his meeting with The Rock, let's tell you why one of the world's biggest movie stars wanted to give him a car in the first place.
That's right. Joining us now is Oscar Rodriguez. Welcome to Wake Up America. Good morning, Oscar.
Good morning, everybody.
We thank you so much for joining us. We know you're on the West Coast, so you're up nice and early for us, and we appreciate that.
Thank you.
Now, The Rock posted on Instagram that your story really moved him because, as he mentioned, that laundry list of things. You take care of your 75-year-old mom. You're a personal trainer. You're a leader at your church. You provide support and meals for women victimized by domestic violence. You're a proud and humble Navy veteran. You're just a kind human being. Did we leave anything out?
All around dude.
No, but I mean, you know, there's a lot of other stuff, but it's just, I'm just grateful that, you know, I got the opportunity to meet The Rock, to be lifted up by The Rock for all the good things that I've done, and just grateful to do more.
Yeah, Oscar, what'd you do in the Navy?
I was an aviation mechanic.
Nice.
So I was on the flight deck.
I was a SEAL for 9 years, so you know we share that bond.
You're
right
having
there.
this moment.
Yep,
Yeah,
a little bit of a moment here. I like having some fellow veterans on. So, Oscar, let's break down. I mean, this is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. I am also a Ford guy, so having him giving you a Ford truck, I'm like really, I'm vibing right now. So
a Raptor, man.
Yeah, exactly. That's like
top of the line Raptor.
You can't even get trucks anymore, especially not a Raptor. So, you know, so you were invited to the special screening of The Rock's new film, Red Notice, by a former colleague when the Rock surprised you. And tell us exactly what went through your mind, how awesome it was.
Man. You know, I was invited as a special guest, but when he called my name, I had no idea that I was the one special guest. You know, like singled out. He said my name. I got up. I guess I was floating on my way to him. You know, I gave him a hug, gave him a bunch of hugs. It was just so good to hug the guy. You know, he's warm and inviting and very friendly, and man, it was great. And I've been a fan for 25 years, you know, it's just, I have no words really.
Let's take a look. We also have the video of when he actually presented the card on the front seat of his own truck, right when you found out it was going to be your own truck. Let's take a look at that.
Yeah.
Thank you for your service, brother. Enjoy your new truck. What the heck is happening? Get out of here, bro. Oh, my God.
Why is that not the best reaction to anything in life?
So how are the new
best
wheels?
hug. Hey, so here's the card.
Good for people.
You guys can see it?
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
That's awesome, man. I mean, look, The Rock is a dude. You know, he is that is a real moment, man.
Yeah. You know, man, you know, when I hugged him that time, I just couldn't believe it. I felt like he was an angel, you know, a godsend, you know, coming to me to, you know, to validate the goodness, you know, that I have in my heart. And, you know, I don't doubt it, but sometimes I can doubt myself. Yeah. And it's just, or be hard on myself even.
I mean, this is a validation, man. You know? Like all the stuff you've worked your whole life to do, this is kind of the moment where you're like, you know what? Good things happen to people who do good things.
Right. And it's really cool when people with a big platform take time to recognize that. I got to say, between The Rock, you, Oscar, and you, Carl, there's a lot of muscles happening on the screen right now. So a little treat for everyone on a Friday. Oscar, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks, boss. Good luck.
Thank you so much for having me. You guys be good.
Hey, I'm Rob Finnerty. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please join the conversation in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, too. Hit the bell icon to be alerted to breaking news. And remember, there's a whole lot more on Newsmax TV, America's fastest growing cable news network. Newsmax TV, where real news for real people.